Yo, what's up guys? It's Pyos here, the CryptoPie, and today in Crypto Trading Basics, we're going to be talking about how to backtest your strategy, guys. Because if you have followed the other Crypto Trading Basics videos, you should already know the basics of Fibonacci, Elliott Waves, RSI, Stochastic RSI, and Ichimoku Cloud, right? And perhaps some more that you learn on your way. So, in order to do this, guys, you go to TradingView. And you should have this on the top. It's called replay, right? Now, the best way to test it is if you don't know, what the price is going to do. And you can do this on any chart as long as you don't switch the time frame. All right, so I like to just be on the 4 hour. You can also be on the 6 hour, or on the 6 hours if you're pro. Then you can have your own time frames, right? But just do it on the 4 hour, like I'm doing right here. And so you click on replay, but it's best if someone else does that, right? Because then you know that where he's gonna click it, right? So let's say I click it here, right? Boom. All right, so it gets rid of the rest of the chart, guys. Now don't change the time frame, because if you do that, then you will go back to where we were. But just based on looking at this, guys, where do you think that we are going to go, right? And if someone else does this for you on a coin that you don't know the chart of at all, and then that is how you can really test your knowledge in trading and see if you're right or wrong without losing any money. It's basically paper trading without the live market, right? You can just train yourselves. So I do this from time to time, and it's just great practice, guys. And before I did this a lot more than right now. So right, yeah. So where do you think this market's gonna go? Well, we already went really high, right? But we're kind of in an uptrend. It's nearly oversold here. The price down there, I mean, that was really oversold. So are we gonna go there again? Perhaps, but I think we're gonna make a higher low. And right here, maybe we're gonna go to these zones at $35 and then up. So right, so I'd say up. So basically you will only tell yourself, are we gonna go up or are we gonna go down, right? And I'm saying up based on where the RSI is right now, based on where the price is to the left. And I mean, if we can also use Fibonacci, right? Let's just use Fibonacci here. Right, Fibonacci 786. So yeah, up. Maybe we hit 886, then up, so 39. So let's see what happens, guys. So right here, let's do every 1 second we're gonna get one candle. Now we can literally see what happens, right? So I click play. Look, we're going up, down, up, up, down, right? And let's speed this up a little bit, so you can see what happens, right? So up, up, up. So I was right? Because we were oversold, so up, and then yeah, right? So you can backtest it with this, guys. This simple tool that's called replay, and I don't think a lot of people make videos about it. That's why I think I just had to make a video to show you guys that this is a tool that you can use, and I think it's very useful to backtest your strategies. So you're still not stopped out because you bought up here, right? And obviously after you're up, you put your stop at break even. You can just ride this trend if you want. Or my sell, I would have been out now, guys, right? Full disclosure, I would have been out because I see these tops, then I'm out, okay? But obviously Litecoin went FOMO mode here and just went higher. Let's look at it, right? So look at this, guys. So I would have already been out, but definitely you can get in again, right? It gives you opportunities at the cloud and stuff. So look at that, guys. So this is basically, it's an amazing tool, and we can use it on any chart. So let's get rid of it. Boom, we're at where the price right now is, and we're just gonna go onto some random chart. It doesn't even matter what it is. Let's go on PivX. I don't know much about PivX at all. No, this chart is really boring actually. Not much going on. Power. Right, so power's pretty cool, right? So then we're just gonna take the replay, boom, right? This is where we're at. Okay, so what is gonna go down right now? Well, looking at this, guys, you know, we just went up, then we're going down. So let's take the Fibonacci right here, right? From the bottom to the top. The 0.5 zone is right there, but we're not oversold yet, so I think that the 0.5 maybe will have a small bounce there. However, it's not that oversold yet, but the stochastic RSI is on the bottom. But keep in mind that that often makes like this double bottom there and then go. So I think we will go down to about this area. I think there's more price action. However, it could definitely get to this wick. So, you know, and then based on this, guys, we'll just draw like something like this. So I'm buying here, and I will sell here. Normally I make this red, guys, but for now I'll just leave it green. So I want to buy here and sell up there, right? So let's see what happens, right? So let's see what happens, guys. So one candle at a time. Up, down, up, down. Oh. So would I have missed this trade? I think I will. Perhaps. Yeah, I missed this trade. So, right, that's how you can look at it, guys, but that's just risk management. And even if you had, if I had put my orders at the 0.5, I would have still not been in. So, right, I would have just missed this trade completely. I mean, that is how trading is, guys. Sometimes it's very bullish and you just miss it. Simple as that. So, boom, right, that's another test done. And, you know, you just move on, right? So, let's just take another weird one. Let's take Neo, right? Why not? Let's take Neo. It's not weird at all. You know, I love Neo, but so let's just put, you know, and then you just take your replay, and let's take a different time frame right now. Let's take a 15-minute, right? Let's do a small time trade, and basically put it down here, whatever. So, would you buy it here yet? No, I wouldn't, right? So you can, it's another way that you can do this, guys, right? It's not oversold yet. 15-minute we're looking at. I wouldn't buy this yet for a scalp up, since, I mean, you can short Neo, but only on some exchanges, so we're looking to buy. No, I'm not ready yet. I think we'll go down further. When it gets oversold, I want to buy. So let's see what happens in the next 15 minutes. Alright, little up, little up. We should reject here. No, we should reject. We should go down. No. Neo strong. Alright, so now we're getting closer, right? Look at the RSI, guys. So remember what I said. When it gets oversold, I want to buy. So no, it didn't get oversold. Right, and you need to stick to your rules, guys. Alright, now it's oversold. Alright, so here I want to buy, right? I want to buy right now. So I just bought. Okay, guys, we pretend I bought right here. Okay, this is where I bought, and now I wanna sell it for a small percent gain, right? I wanna sell it at the resistance around here for 4%, $56. All right, let's see if we hit $56. No, we went right through it, and then okay, so that's fine. And let's see if we hit it. 56, 56, 56. No. Did it hit it? 55? No, I would have already been stopped out, guys. I mean, honestly, when you're scalping, you don't want to risk that much. So, but basically, when it's oversold, right, that is what you're looking at. But obviously, you have to look at other price action as well. But since you're in a downtrend, it's a little harder. So you kind of want to short in a downtrend, right? So it wasn't an excellent example, but let's take oh my god, Bitcoin, right? Oh my god, Bitcoin, guys. And yeah, so you can do this on anything, guys, on the daily, on the 12-hour, wherever, right? So let's do it in a bullish market, right? So it's very easy, right? You just go to replay, put it anywhere here. See that? Let's put it here. So do you want to buy here? No, of course not, because it's at the EMA. It needs to cross there before you want to be interested, or you want to buy in a pullback, right? So what you do is you take your Fibonacci, go up here, and you want to aim for at least 38.2, which is also these tops. Alright, let's see if we get hit. All the way down to a 0.5, something like that. Let's see if we get hit, and then we will target right up here. Right, and let's see if we get hit, guys. We have a stop loss, and this is the proper way, guys. We have a stop loss, long position. Let's say we buy here. Holy shit, it goes all the way down, right? My stop loss is obviously under the low. 33% stop loss, but that's because I'm working on the weekly here. But we have a potential profit of 80%. So that is a good risk reward, 2.77. And you know, you just play it out. Let's see what happens. Boom. Alright, so we're in, right? In between 38.2, 0.50. Alright, so let's see what's going on. Boom. Nearly hit already. Let's see. Boom, you're out. Okay, profitable trade, right? And that is just how you do it, guys. That is just a tool that I wanted to show you guys, right? It's called the replay tool. It's on the top here, and yeah, you can just play things that have been that already done from the past, right? So, oh, I got rid of something. But yeah, it's just a tool, guys, that I want you guys to play around with as well. Especially, I mean, just looking at the past, obviously you don't want to do this yourself, right? And put it yourself. Ask someone else in your home, or if you don't have anyone, then what you can do, guys, is zoom all the way out, right? And basically you take a chart here, and then you take replay, you close your eyes, and you know, you just click somewhere, and wherever it goes, figure out where it goes up or down, guys. So I mean, that's another way to do it, I guess. But yeah, it's basically backtesting your strategies and see if they work. So right, that is the best way to backtest, in my opinion. And you know, I hope you guys enjoy it. I mean, as for my looking at you know, charts, I added Bitcoin USD perpetual contracts, obviously, because I trade BitMEX a lot nowadays, so it's good to look at this. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy the backtesting strategy. I mean, just backtesting any strategy, really. So all you need to do is just use the replay function on the top of TradingView. So yeah, that's basically it. Guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any questions, you can ask other people questions, and it's just a great chat box to be in, right? We talk about cryptocurrencies, we talk about trading strategies, about upcoming ICOs, etc. But like I always point out, and Toby pointed out today as well, is right now it's hard to flip anything in this market. So if you go into an ICO, don't expect a 2x, right? It's just very hard. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, I post upcoming announcements, I post about airdrops, etc. Right? We had a Kingwin airdrop, and unfortunately we were too late. It got announced today, it got right away, it was gone. Kingwin's huge, guys, it's just instantly gone. So, but in the upcoming 2 days, the airdrop will be back. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. And obviously, if you watch this video later, at a later date, then obviously this airdrop's gone. But for people who watch it right away after it's uploaded, you know, just stay tuned for the airdrop for that. You know, free money. You know, everyone wants free money, right? So also, I post about upcoming ICOs here. However, right now the market is a little bearish to consolidating. So right, that means bearish to consolidating returns, which means returns that are either the same or lower. I know there's some ICOs that will give you higher returns, but that's not many of them, right? It's very rare. So yeah, just keep that in mind, guys. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.